This is the Hoco EW72 earbuds. I want to connect it to my laptop. The Hoco earbuds device is not showing up on my laptop. If the Hoco EW72 earbuds are not connecting to the laptop, let's see how to fix it. This is the reset button on the Hoco EW72 earbuds. Hold down the reset button for 5 seconds, and the earbuds will reset. The Hoco earbuds have now been reset. Now the earbud device is visible on the laptop. Now connect your laptop to the earbuds and enjoy the music.